Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called the Culture Samui. As you can see, there's a lot of condensation in this room. A crazy amount actually. Walk through the room, right at the swimming pool. And right after the swimming pool is the beach. The room is very nice, but there's some weird things like that's two small blankets on a big bed. Not a big deal, but kind of weird. It's a nice little room. The condensation was out of control. They actually came and dried the ceiling. Like it was raining in the room. I don't know what the story is with that, if it's a normal problem or not. But a fan basically got it under control. I didn't get rained on anymore anyway. Mini bar, a few things, not much. 2 bottles of complimentary water and coffee and tea making supplies. From the bathroom, big bathroom, very nice actually. Everything worked as it should. That's a very, very cool towel rack as well. Right there. I stayed in this hotel in November of 2024. A little edge outside for a little bit of privacy, but walk out the door, that's a bar and restaurant straight ahead for the swimming pool. The pool is really, really nice. I paid 4,726 baht for the night. But as you know, prices change quite often, especially as the hotels fill up. Very nice, and you can see all the boats. This is a beautiful area. It's located in Bo Pit. Walking through the bar. Those are tables right there. I have no idea why they're covered. The weather wasn't all that great, and that might explain the condensation as well. It didn't rain, but it wasn't all that nice either. This hotel is considered 5 stars on Agoda. It has a 9.0 out of 10 rating with 2,674 reviews. A lot of people has reviewed this place and liked it. There's the beach, which is very, very convenient, and it's quite a long beach as well. And the part that I like best is right there, those beanbag chairs. I sat there late at night. It was dark, it was quiet, sounds of the ocean. Pretty awesome place actually, and you could get drinks inside. Very, very nice. And there's the pool again. The downside of this hotel, there's only 4 parking spaces. For most people that's no big deal, but if you're driving like I was, it can be. I got the last spot and I was only here one night. I didn't move the car, that's for sure. Inside the lobby, very nice, very easy check-in. No issues whatsoever, very professional, as it should be in a 5-star hotel. I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out. Check the prices on your date. Like I said, they're probably going to change quite often. You have to monitor that stuff, that's for sure. Pretty nice, yeah? There's also more information and pictures on Agoda if you want to check it out. The beautiful beach. Not bad considering it was very overcast and just not a lovely day. But still, this is really nice. And this beach got awesome sand. I walked from here all the way down to the other end where the fishing boats are. Pretty nice beach. This is not far from the airport, so you do get a little bit of plane noise. Not a big deal in my opinion, but you can hear the airport. Sitting here late at night in the dark, this was really, really nice. Here's the pool at night. Absolutely no one there for some reason. Very surprising. It is beautiful. Look at that. The hotel wasn't that busy when I was there. A few people sitting inside, as you can see. I had $1 million question, would I stay here again? Absolutely. There's breakfast. I showed inside where the food was, but I obviously didn't turn my camera on or something. I didn't get the footage anyway. Here's a picture of what it looks like. Tons of food, and you order off a menu. My breakfast did not have my eggs. They were on the way. Everything else I got from the buffet section. Alright guys, there it is. That's my review based on when I was there and nothing else. There's a better look at the beach. Very, very nice, yeah? And the beanbag chairs. That was my favorite part, sitting right there in the dark, just enjoying the sounds of the ocean. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.